At least 11 Pakistani soldiers have been killed and 16 others injured after India has given a befitting response to Pakistan's ceasefire violation on Friday. India dealt a crushing blow, destroying Pakistan Army positions, terror launch pads and fuel dumps. On your screens right now are visuals of how Pakistani bunkers were reduced to rubble. This is coming in after Pakistan initiated unprovoked ceasefire violation, firing mortars and other weapons in multiple sectors from Uri to Gurez along the LOC in Jammu and Kashmir. 5 soldiers from the Indian side were martyred in the mortar shelling. 4 civilians lost their lives. Pakistan targeted civilians areas in Jammu and Kashmir's Uri.
India is also giving a befitting reply to the forces, and I'm hopeful that Pakistan, some good sense will prevail on Pakistan, because they are trying to instigate some sort of war or a small sort of a snap war with India, and but they don't understand this, that this is going to be a very costly affair for them.
पाकिस्तान में अपनी आदत से बात नहीं आ रहा। हमारे प्रधानमंत्री कहते हैं कि हम घुस के मारते हैं, तो अब ज़रूरत है घुस के मारने की, और सिर्फ है ज़बानी हमदर्दी जताने की नहीं। अगर पाकिस्तान को सबक नहीं सिखाएंगे तो ये सिलसिला तो हमेशा चलता रहेगा और हमारे जवान शहीद होते रहेंगे।
India Today's Ashraf Vani has filed this report from near LOC after the massive escalation between India and Pakistan on the Diwali Eve.
Army in the press release earlier said that there was an infiltration attempt also on the line of control in Keren sector, which was foiled, and it was followed by the ceasefire violation by Pakistan, which has been befittingly responded by the Indian Army deployed on LOC. Since this tension between India and Pakistan on LOC, the Army has been put on highest ever alert all along LOC and hinterland. Most of the people living near the line of control had been shifted to the safer places, but there is the tension which is escalating between India and Pakistan, particularly on the eve of Diwali here in Kashmir. And Army has been put on the highest alert, and Indian Army is responding to the Pakistani ceasefire violations on LOC. As well, what we know from the sources that there is a heavy damage which has been put by the Indian action in Pakistan, which includes the destroying of some launching pads, what Indian Army says, as well as some of the bunkers, and those casualties are yet to be reported from Pakistan. With cameraman Tariq Loon, Ashraf Vani for India Today in hinterland of North Kashmir, here near LOC.